Doctor's office, hold. Doctor's office, hold.
Let's go!
Hi my friends, today we're going to talk about crafting an amazing telephone experience your patients will rave about. I'm going to read you some actual Google reviews, just for fun. Friendly and professional doctors, but with very robotic and cold receptionists. I've called many times, automatically placed on hold, then disconnected. I finally get through, transferred to another line, only got voicemail, left messages over 2 weeks ago. Still no call. It literally is impossible to get through. Hopefully you don't ever have to call to schedule an appointment or with any questions, because you'll never get through to anyone. If you're lucky to get someone on the line, you'll just be transferred to a never-ending ringing tone. Receptionist gives extreme attitude over the phone, and doctors are almost never available. If this is what's keeping you up at night, if this is what your patients are reporting to you constantly, or even worse, if this is what you're reading on your Google reviews, then my friend, it's time to rip that band-aid and rework your customer experience. But Matteo, I feel overwhelmed. I don't know where to start from. I might be a little late in the game at this point. My dear friend, I hear you loud and clear, and I got you. I want to give you a free training today. I want you to have access to my 5-step customer experience reboot camp for free, focused specifically on creating a telephone experience your patients will rave about. All you need to do is to click on the link below to download your free resource. I can't wait to see what you do with this training. Let's get to work.